This is my project. So my project is on the left side, the code, and this is the console for it. So if I actually print out like the the button that's being pressed. So if I press Z button, so you print out Z and the key code that's 90 for it. So this is the original image that's being detected and print out. So next will be the gray and the brightness. So everything has been changed into gray and the brightness is being adjusted accordingly. So the next row we have the RGB channel. So each of the channel has been as you can see, the red channel, all the pixels has been changed to red, and the green channel, all the pixels to green, and the blue channel, all to blue. Okay, on the red threshold and the green threshold and blue threshold. So what all each of these does is that whatever pixels that's like lesser than the threshold value will become black. If however, if the value of the pixels like has a larger value than the threshold value, it will remains and it has the the color of each channel. So for the red, all the pixels will present red if it's more than the threshold value. So as you can see, so this is reducing the threshold and increasing the threshold if I move to the right. Similarly for green, so this is for blue. So next we move on to the next row. So this is the original image for comparison. So this is the first color space I choose to do HSV color space, and there's quite a lot of noise. And next will be the color space 2, which is the codec color space presenting a greenish turquoise color, I think. Yep. So next will be the threshold. So similarly, the threshold works the same as the RGB threshold. So if I move the threshold to its minimum value, so you have the same output as the color space, which on top above it. So HSV, these two is the same. But if I move and I increase the value, everything will slowly turn black. Similarly for codec also. Okay, yep. So next we move on to the face detection. So as you can see, my face is being gray. So this is the first gray filter. So if I press 1, I can change to gray filter. By default it's gray. But as you can see, my shirt is maroon. The maroon is the color remains, but only my face changes. Also the second, if I press 2, my face is being blurred. This is the blurred filter. Press 3, this is the color space filter, which I chose the HSV filter. So you only like change my face color. So you have press 4, so you like do the pixel filter on my face as well. I can change it to gray. Yep. So anything. So next, my extension implemented by pressing space. So as we can see here, there's a space key 32. So what does my extension do is that, as we can see, this is the black color box that's printed on my face. So this black box actually eliminates this enemy that's being spawned. The enemies that I'm seeing refers to all these white color box that's moving towards the left side of the screen. So the objective of this game is to stop the enemy from reaching the other side of the screen. So as we can see, we have only 3 life indicated by these 3 black box on top. So the game's actually I've like increased the difficulty, as we can see that the black box actually like toggles around your face. So now it's on the mouth, yes, now it's on my eyes. So it actually move around, so this actually increases the difficulty. So another way that my game actually works, that if I press the button M like multiple times, as we can see, a lot of like enemies started spawning. So this actually increases the difficulty of the game. So the player have to move more. Yep. So if I press N likewise, you'll decrease the amount of enemies spawn. Yep. So there'll be no more enemies. So yep. So this more enemy can stop the game from running. Yep. So once the life runs out, the game will reset. So in the event of like the players are accidentally moving off the 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 face, so it doesn't detect your face anymore, the game will stop and will resume back to the original game. So the player can continue their game as per normal. Yeah. That's all for my project. Thank you.